All right, what we have here is a Stingray. Some people look at it as a problem because, I mean, the back of that barb is dangerous. But we're going to show you kind of like our technique on how to de-hook a Stingray. So, main thing is barb management. We like to get a shoe or a sandal and hold that barb down while we just do a simple disconnect. Oh, yeah. It's a little bit of a pain in the ass, but I'll hold the barb. Alright, I got a good lock on that barb with that sandal. Little small, normally we would keep it, but it's a little small to... Yep. You just got to be careful with the barb. That's the big thing. Alright, we're disconnected now. Now we're going to work on getting them back into the water. Basically, you just want to be as careful as you can. Just get them back on in. That's it.